I think we should be starting the stream now because I've been leaving you guys hanging for a while. So, let's get into it. So, before we start playing Kerbal Space Program, by the way, that's the name. Before we start playing the game, once my music and the game loads, what we would do is, oh, look at that sunrise. So what we are planning on doing today in today's live stream is we will be playing. Oh, Jesus. Today we will be playing Kerbal Space Program. Had to say that for 3 times. Kerbal Space Program, which is the game currently right now that I'm currently playing. Then after that we will watch. Well, watch. We'll play Planet Crafter, which is another space survival game, which I reckon you guys will like. It's where you have to terraform Mars and turn it into a green, lush world. And one of the thing I enjoy about like space flight is you have to grow food in space to live in space, which I really enjoy growing stuff. So today we'll be playing Planet Crafter and KSP, which is this game right here, and in Starship Factory because some of you guys love this game, and I see someone spamming the love hearts and the cheering in the chat. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's awesome. Keep up the amazing work, everyone in there. So today we're gonna do a destination. We're gonna do a fly around. We're gonna fly. We're gonna do a mission to Jewel. Which, hold up, I'll just give you a visual representation. So Jewel is a green gaseous companion of the Kerbola system, which is the star system in this game. If my game will load, thankfully it did. um, yeah. So obviously we've almost probed the solar system. Um, so this is Jewel. Let me just give you a better representation of the planet. See a few moons in the solar system. Solar system? The Julian system. Pretty amazing because this is the green gas giant. We have a few satellites called unnamed spacecraft or untitled spacecraft. Sorry. Um, Here we will do a fly over or fly around or fly by, sorry, where we will fly a spacecraft out of the solar system, just like Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which are actually spacecraft. Um, yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So we'll have to design a spacecraft on making it there, or a probe. With the probe, it's going to need to have good range and communication, as well as look good and perform well. So basically, I'm doing this in a real NASA mission, or what it'll be like. Now, you may recall this orbit right here, this very elongated orbit, like elliptical, almost like. It's a very odd looking shape of an orbit because it's not a stable circle around the planet. So, um, we won't be doing a little circle around the planet. We'll be a sort of a slingshot. So we'll come in from around the bottom left. We'll fly up and then we'll exit from the top left, which will send us out into interstellar space. Ooh, scary. Now, if we recall to Kerbin, which is this planet right here, I'll just get rid of all the dots and... Oh. all the dots and stuff. So this is Kerbin. It's the home world for the Kerbals, which are people. Oh geez, so much debris. Actually, I think it's probably a good idea to start clearing our tracking station and start terminating all of the debris. There's a bit of debris right there. There's a few bits orbiting Kerbin. That's not very good. Wait, how many? Ooh. So we can recover and just get rid of all these bits of debris. This basically reduces the amount of lag we'll get in my game. Now, obviously, I will be doing this I will be doing this later on. Also, we have a beautiful blue station right here, which I constructed a while ago. You will be able to see in the stream, throughout the stream actually, when we rendezvous or meet up with it. Yeah. Let's get building. Now, before we start getting building towards the jewel system, I'd like to fly a few planes, because there's people who love planes on my what's it called again? Yeah, few people who like flying planes in my on my channel will like a bit of this aviation right here. This beautiful piece of aviation I made just today. It's home. Best KSP player. Hello Parker Larker. Welcome aboard. Wow, you guys are awesome. So with this plane I made here, or jet fighter, let's say, it's an experimental, which means it means YF. YF doesn't really like mean anything really, but I'm sure like some of you guys who know a lot about aviation will be able to know YF 98. So you may be wondering where is like the rudder or control surfaces. Parker, like I said, I got Starship Factory a few weeks back and I'm addicted. Nice. So, let's just continue this plane. So, one thing you may notice is where's the rudder? Where's the tail fin at the end? Well, the tail fin is on the wing, actually. So whenever the thing moves from side to side using the yaw axes, these will counteract and stop it from flopping backward. Now, if you're wondering why the stream will get red in the game, it's because there'll be a red out, which is when the pilot pulls negative G's, and that causes the blood to go to their veins in their head. It's a very unpleasant feeling. Um, right then, let's get flying and not crash this time, because apparently I'm just a very good pilot here. And it appears that the music failure I had a while ago is fixed. So here's what I mean by the yaw axes. These are the rudders. That's quite cool actually. It's amazing. It's an amazing piece of engineering I made here on... Whoa. I'm just gonna make this to about 20. But having this at like 100 is... Wow, what in the earth has happened here? Yeah, look at that. I think that's more valid right there. You excited for the dual mission? Oh, yeah. That's gonna be awesome. Yeah. Yeah, my this jet is pretty cool, guys. Let's get flying. I don't want to waste another minute. And we have liftoff. Oh, we have takeoff actually, but you guys know. So I'm gonna turn down my volume a bit so you guys can get the brrr sound. Um, beautiful. We're just gonna take off a bit, and I'll just mute quickly. You can hear the sound, the brrr sound. Now see when it counteracts. I just have my FPS sticking, getting about 40 FPS, which is not bad for a KSP player. Also, I'm just testing out these TO effects, which is like post-processing and graphics. Um, wow, it's actually getting good. Oh, look at that. Hmm. For now, I'm just gonna play with empty. Oh, that's cool that you guys play KSP. And we're just gonna go maximum aerodynamic pressure. The thing can do like pretty cool maneuvers. See, from side to side. Um. I'll say we can pull off a few G's. Oh, if the screen fades black, that's because I'm going through a G thing. I think we should head back, and I'm upside down. Just spin, view right back up. Now, with my good flying skills, we should be able to head back with just only one engine out if we lose any engines. See what I did there? I shut down one of the engines and yeah, it works. Oh, let me just pause the stream again. Wait. Oh yeah, that's cool that you play Geno New Origins and KSP too. Yeah, I also play Kerbal Space Program 2 as well. Good game though. And also we are losing one engine because we just had a flame out. So we seem to be flying with only just one engine. Don't worry, this is a simulated engine failure. For now. Still going. Oh, we're drifting. And let's land this thing. Land it back to the runway in one piece. Oh dear, that's not good. That's not good. We just spun the plane out. Lowering throttle. Yo, what's up? Alright, let's go land this baby. Watch me do a funny ass maneuver here. And flip. Do the curvature bell. Spin. Splitting the throttles. That maneuver I just did. That was a pretty clean as move I did. And we lost an engine. Like, quite literally. Ooh, KSP1 or KSP2? This is KSP1, both modded. Blah, overly modded KSP1. Um, Starbase Sim, please? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna play that game next stream, but feel free to keep adding comments here. I play KSP with Real Solar System mod. Oh, that's nice. Let's recover this jet I made. Now we'll get to the dual mission because we have 3 games to play. We're playing Kerbal Space Program, which is the game we're currently piloting. Playing KSP1 right now. Then we'll be playing Planet Crafter, which is a space survival game where you have to colonize the planet or the Mars planet. Now, if you guys like growing stuff, I'm not sure if you guys do enjoy it, but we will be doing that. Um, so that yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good. Then we'll be playing Starship Factory, which is the game that one of you guys mentioned. Um, and then that's what we'll be covering for today's stream. But Spaceflight Simulator. Oh, oh yeah, we can play that later next stream along with Starbase Simulator because I want to start using my time wisely instead of using like 8 hour of like live streaming on just one game really when really you can just play 3 games. Oh, Adam's Photography said you deserve 1 mil subscribers. Oh, yes, that would be the life. Fortunately, I'm in my early stages, and you guys are helping me really well. Actually, thank you very much. All right, let's get into the dual mission because I want to dual things out. Um, yeah. Make a nuclear bomb, please. Oh, this is gonna be nuclear. I also play SFS. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Some of us like me and Europa and Jam. We used to play SFS back in the day, which is, by the way, for those who don't know, is Spaceflight Simulator. We used to play that game back in my day. Um, we played those games together. It was fun. This is like back in 2022, by the way. Great. Yeah. So we did that. It was awesome. I also have a YouTube channel, but I don't quite often have time to post stuff. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, if you hear me like rumbling about random stuff, that's just me reading your guys' comments in the live chat. So for this dual mission, right, we're gonna need a antenna. Sorry, I lost my words for a second. What do we need for communication, guys? This guy. I want this to be like a Voyager slash dual mission as well. Yesterday I also went to Jewel. Oh, nice. Did you when you were at Jewel, did you explore like the moons of Jewel or just the like? Did you go inside of Jewel? Also, the because if you have volumetric clouds mod installed, you have this big eye. I like to call it the Jewel's hole for obvious reasons. Oh God. When will the Australian Starship fly again? Oh dear. Oh dear. a trauma. Yeah, nah, I don't think I will be flying the Starship, upside down Starship, but the Australian Starship in a bit, but would be cool. And I sent the probe to crash into Joule. Oh, nice. So, what I would like to do in this Joule mission. Wait, do we need, do you reckon solar panels will be weak where we are? I'm pretty sure they will be. If you guys are really enjoying the stream so far, please, gladly hit the subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this a lot, hit the like button. This actually helps me a lot in making more amazing streams like these. It'll be cool. Trust me. Ooh, that's a big antenna, right? That's A snaps. What does that do? Just a random window that just came up. Um, so yeah, the reason why I called 10 megajoules rockets. Oh my. We will have some fun with the with your little nuke that you requested. Now, for a real space mission, right? We wanted to have to have a good propulsion system. I was aiming for something like Cassini in a way, like you know the Cassini spacecraft. Did you remember when we said pray for? Do you remember when we said like pray for 35? Yes, I remember that. That actually happened. Now with the Flight 9 with Ship 35 and Booster 14-2, I will be doing the challenge of eating hot English mustard, 1 tablespoon. Oh Jesus, my digestive system's not gonna like me after this. Um, I will be doing that. I will be putting that on YouTube later. With that, yeah, everyone should subscribe to me, by the way, so you can get me up to 1,000 subscribers. That'd be actually good. Let's just think of a good propulsion system and fuel system. I think. Also, you guys are dirty-minded. We got a good rocket right here. Just kidding. I can't be making that on my YouTube channel. Bit silly. Oh, you're back? Hi, back. Haha, just kidding. It's Parker Laka. I know you. You're funny. Don't worry. Now we want to have a probe that can be that can go to the surface as well as stay in orbit. Because I want to recreate the Cassini mission. Because that was by far one of my favorite missions of space flight in history, which happened in 1997. This is a while ago. This mission happened. What are we building here, Pakalaka? Well, I have a Well, we are making a mission to Joule. We're gonna explore Joule. That sounds so wrong, but funny at the same time. So, what do we need for a propulsion system? Liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. That's what we need. Then just slap you to the side and we're good to go. What should we have for our engine system? I want to have like a good amount of engines, like at least 2 engines, like one as a backup and one as a not so backup. Like 2 of these, let's just say. The TWR on this is 3. That's quite a bit. Actually, I found a perfect engine. I have a perfect engine. The Raptor engine. It's a Raptor 2 engine. Guys, I found my perfect propulsion system. Uh, I think that is that methane, methane. I'll just say CH4. Yeah, those two engines back then is equivalent to one of these engines. Wait a second, does this also work or is it just the same? Oh, okay, so this is like a vacuum engine. It's called a Hawk. Alright. I want to have just one engine with this. I want to make my probe look as well really good and presentable. As well as like accurately possible as to the real life competitor, which is Cassini, which by the way was had a sad demise when it entered Saturn's atmosphere, upper atmosphere. Let's be honest. I think those are a bit too powerful, those thrusters. But yeah. Also, for a power supply, we will not be using solar panels because those will get weak. What we are going to use is a thing called a RTG, which stands for a radioactive thermal generator, which generates electricity through the atoms of uranium, yeah, or plutonium. Um, yeah, so RTG, I'm just gonna call it RTG juice for now, cause so RTG juice is like pretty good, which is this stuff here. Um, yeah. So on to send a little exploration probe to Lathe. Send a little exploration probe to Lathe. Then we'll just have it sitting there on the surface of Lathe, or in the ocean of Lathe, I should say. Yeah. Now over here, guys, we have. Wait, we can color this. Guys, what color should we make our spacecraft? Should we make it like colorful or whatnot? I don't know. Now I want to have two probes to balance the stability on this thing. Because if you have one big saggy probe just sitting on the side, right, like the vehicle when the engine fires will go to the left. So we gotta stabilize it with another one with another. So we just put one of these there, and we will. Wait, should we use sides? No, stack separators. Yeah, yeah. I can see you saying my name. You're saying my name. Yes. What is it? Yeah. What is HS? Heat shield. Heat shield 12. Heat shield. I think that looks good. I mean, you're literally called Blue Aerospace 236. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Now, these are exploration probes I'm making, so they will not survive. And this is in purely to find science. We'll find science in the names of blue aerospace. Color it blue. Oh yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. Me just being a little unself-conscious. Should we have like one parachute each? I feel like we should, because it's a pretty big. Or actually, you know what we could do is we could just like shrink them down. Oh, why is that? Come on. There you go. Yeah, we'll color the whole probe blue. So these are our exploration probes. These won't live long. That's my prediction, which is sad. So this is going to be half a Cassini probe, half Voyager probe. So we're going to have two probes that are going to land on the surface of Jewel. I mean, Jewel? Leif. Yeah, we'll color it blue, by the way. Just gotta force these in a bit. Look at that. I think that looks decently well. We want backup antennas in case the big dish fails. Not to mention we have another satellite in orbit around Jewel. Oh, blue's your favorite color? Oh, nice. Did you know Jewel has a surface in KSP2? Yes, I do know that. Thank you for reminding it to everybody here on the channel. Are these probes seriously oh, they're not getting impaled by the dishes. Antennas, sorry. I should say. Yeah, we're gonna have some antennas as well. So I think that should do it. That should do it. Um yeah. Then what I want to do is I want to see what we can do for science. For science, we're doing science. We're doing science. It's happening again. We're doing science. I'm surprised they didn't do a third Voyager mission. Well, to answer your question, well, it's actually kind of obvious because when the planets were lined up in 1977, I think it was, all the planets were lined up with Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now the planets, right? They'll be moving. So, but then they launched the rockets at totally different times. So Voyager 2 was actually the last spacecraft to ever encounter that in like another 200 plus years. It's not like even in the 21st century at all. Yeah. Also, just to let you know, guys, we have these big booms. Big boom. He's like the giant arm. These like arms in a way. I actually like the design of this probe so far. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish putting stuff onto it. We're gonna finish slapping the stuff on the probe, and then we will after that color it and see what happens. Also, we will be attempting to add any sort of scientific instruments. One of them is this atmospheric, like, spectrometer, atmospheric fluid spectropherometer, right here. Yeah, Voyager 2 is the furthest man-made spacecraft. Yeah, thanks to the amazing scientists at NASA. Also, we're just gonna slap some more experiments to the side. Ooh, surface scanning. Oh, that's pretty big. It's pretty big. Also, we got mystery goo. which we're just going to call it Slop 2.0 for the jokes. What do you guys think of the spacecraft so far? Does it look good? Rate it in the chat or in the comments. For now, we're just going to test out the tanks. So I'd actually want to get it out that my words for I want to get to be like shiny in a way. Yeah, yeah, it looks really good actually. Um, yeah, I'm just testing out the colors on this. We now have olive green. Sounds pretty good. For now, I'm just gonna go with chrome or absolute black and make it spectacular look. What I might do is I might darken the blue, make it about 100%. You should launch it on a Starship or a Falcon, or how about a Titan E3, just to be bit like more accurate to the real thing. I mean, that was actually one of my favorite rockets, actually, because it looked more cool. Or a custom rocket. Ooh. Yeah, rocket would look good, but I feel like we want to get this more accurate. So to make this all shiny. Now, in real life, Voyager would actually be covered in this coating, which would like keep all the instruments warm, like keep him nice and heated up. Um, but yeah, it's like not real. It's not like gold. It's like a foilized gold that NASA used for Cassini and Voyager, which is actually pretty cool. Wait, we can color the engine? No, we cannot. That's not good. I wanted to color the engine, not to make it pink and whatnot. Boom. I think that's pretty good. We'll save the pattern because yeah, why not? It'll be cool. This is gonna look amazing, guys. Don't you think? And what I would want to do is I'm gonna tie all the instruments up to when I can do them. So I can toggle the boom to not. Oh yeah. So this is just for the antennas and boom, which is like the main looks. Stock Titan recreation. Oh yeah, I can do that. And we can also do some scientific data where we log pressure, where we observe the mystery goo, and we log temperatures. All this will obviously be done in the atmosphere when we, well, demise the poor Cassini. Oh yeah, thank you for sending me the image of the Titan E or Titan 2. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's a big rocket with side cores, side boosters. You know. Uh, yeah. So now I know from my learning on the Titan rocket is we wanna just get rid of the shroud. Not really a fan of it. I got tubes. Oh, it's a big one. Actually, I think I can find a better structure tube. Is this the same one? It is. Do you have any paint? Do you have that paint mod? I think it's called Easy Paint. Well, I do not, unfortunately, but I do have Turd. Textures Unlimited Recoloration Depot. Yes, I mean it's it literally is called Turd. It's a good mod though. Oh, we could put a COPV on the side. A hydraulic power unit. I don't think that's reliable yet. So if you guys are enjoying the session so far and just joined, my name is Blue Aerospace and I'm running a small YouTube channel about spaceflight, and I think you guys will enjoy it. Now, what I'd like you guys to do is to like smash the like button, give me a subscribe. It would help me out a lot, and I mean a lot, in making more amazing content that you guys can actually watch every day. Actually, you know what I can do? Because that's a good adapter. Oh, that one. Oh, nah, you know what's better than a good adapter? A fuel tank adapter. Introducing to you the procedural parts. Oh, where are you? It's like this big shiny ass thing right here. So what I want to do is I want to make the length of the bottom of it. It's around 1.8 meters. Something like this. I just want to get this accurate as possible. And if you guys think that if any of this is inaccurate, just let me know, and I'll change it up a bit. You heard him, so smash the like and subscribe button. Yeah, do it. Do it, boys. Get him. Get the bottom. I almost said bottom for a second, but my humor. Yeah. Wait, didn't the stage before Cassini also have two engines? Because I know it's hydrolox. This is my spaceflight knowledge for you guys. I think I'm pretty accurate with it. Yeah. Like something like this I did right here. Because I remember when I was watching like a Cassini recreation in KSP with like real solar system and whatnot. Ooh. I was watching a Cassini in real solar system mod thing happening. It looks pretty good, but yeah, it's cool. I saw like the engines were a bit different than the normal ones. Also, if I think I just search up hydrogen, it shows like all the engines that are hydrogen based. Because I want to filter by size to see the smallest or biggest. But I think these are our best bets for our best matches. Sorry, I should say. What I will do is I'll just offset the engines, clip them in a bit. Look at that, guys. I've been liked for a while now. Oh yeah, stay hydrated. Yeah, you guys listen to me. You guys better stay hydrated because not many people drink water. No, I'm serious. It actually does happen. Now, yeah, the reason I know about Cassini is because I was watching a mission. It was I think it was on the on BBC with Professor Brian Cox. He's actually a good professor. My mum and I actually went to his meeting thing. Yeah, water is the best drink ever. Yeah. We went to his like show thing. I think it's called Horizons, but it was showing like um, why's my FPS gone down a lot? Um, but he was showing how like the universe works. It was pretty cool. Oh, and my FPS has gone up again. My mum was born in 1977 with the Voyager launch date. Oh, that's actually a pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, that's nice to hear. And speaking of which, I'm just about to put the separators and put another stage on. Now, what I know about this rocket is, I think it's like this is the big long ass fairing right here. A fairing is what they use to cover up the all the payload from being destroyed by re-entry or any like sort of air friction. Look at that. That fairing right there looks pretty good. It's a good fairing. Yeah, I think I'm doing decently good actually. Now let's just do the load the patterns. Whoa, look at that. I love it when it's like black, like get the black and then what you do next is you the black color kind of mixes up. Now for the fairing, we wanna make it more identifiable. So we'll go to decals. We'll stick on a blue aerospace logo because A, it's cool, and also it just me looks better. Hello, any blue aerospace here? There you are. So we can stick decals. How do I send images? Oh, you want to send images through Discord to me, but that's what Pakalaka was showing me just then. Oh, guys, look at this, by the way. I'm sticking my logo on the side. Does this look pretty good, guys, with the logo I did for the fairing on the blue aerospace style it. Fairing expansion. Yeah, so this is like the other stage. Sort by name. Now we want Z engines. Ooh, oh, that looks. That's my new favorite type of color right here. This blue. Whoa, that's just awesome. Yeah, I love the flags, by the way. I found a good engine, by the way, for this. It's called a Raptor 2. I'm only kidding. Oh god, it's a gimbalable vacuum engine. Oh dear. Yeah, I'm cooking right now, guys. Just so you know. Well, Well, maybe on re-entry, but not right here. I'm not baking anything. Now we want to find a good engine to like use. Not that one. Don't really like that one in my opinion. Blizzard? No. Harrier? No. Yeah, too big. Air, too sustainer like. Yeah, kind of small. Yeah, even smaller. Yeah, even smaller. You're cooking some slop. Sorry for leaving the stream earlier. Oh no, no, no problem, no problem. Oh god, we're praying for 36. SN 36 to be exact. Now we want to get a good. Should I go hydrogen or methane? Actually, yeah, let's go hydrogen. Hydrogon. Yeah, what's this engine again? That's the Erebus. Oh, it's the launch vehicle's engine. Sustainer engine. Bro. Actually, ooh, a trumpet engine. Actually, I think let's go for the Ulysses engine. I think that's a good engine right there. Engineering. Looks like we need bigger space actually to launch this thing. So, what's your opinion on Flight 9? Well, my opinion on Flight 9, it just recreated Flight 3, but it was pretty good actually to see how the all the engines successfully shut down for the separation. Separation? No, for SECO or ship engine cutoff. Yeah, it's a bit of a repeat of history actually. Um, ooh, it's a good repeat right there. Ugh, what is that color? What is that blue? Looks like a green. What's this? Oh, yeah, it's a Soyuz. Titan, Ariane, Atlas. Let's just go with the blue, cause it's peak. Speaking of blue, just add some recognizable logos to me self, me ship, me rocket. Yeah, yeah, ship 35 was a L. Oh crap, we've actually been more than an hour, or almost an hour actually. This is just regular fuel, I reckon. Actually, I think we should just go like this. There we go. Now let's get to the big stuff, the big booster stuff. Now, if you have a restock, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I think it's the restock mod that makes like restocks or refixes everything, makes it look cooler. But with the, I think it's the Clydesdale, I think it is. It's a big booster, I should say. This one right here, yeah, it makes it look like the Titan Centaur, no Titan rocket, um, like the Titan rockets things, like the boosters. And there will be no booster offshore diverts today because we're going to go straight to Jewel. And for the bell of the engine, I think we're just going to keep that red. Like this type of red. And make this like a bronze metallic. Look at that, it looks like the inside a bit. It did better than its version 2 cousins, but yeah, if you guys are wondering what I'm talking about, or what the chat's talking about, we're talking about Starship's ninth flight test. I mean, it was alright. It's my honest opinion, guys. It was alright. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the SRBs. Now I just realised this is clipping inside of that, so we may have a bit of a problem with separation. Let me just slap on. Let's just strut things up. Uh, I'm the greatest rocket engineer of all time. Last stream I baked a cake. Oh yeah. The stream is I'm baking a strawberry cake. Lol. After the stream, or depending on how long the stream is. Anyway, stream's gonna be about 3 hours. That's the aimed goal. What we need now is some separators, cause separators are cool. So yeah, separation might be a bit different today. Yeah, the red engine. Yeah, the red engine bell on the bottom. This just means that cause like I feel like red is a good color for an engine, in my opinion. Like on the bell part, not on the combustion chamber, obviously. Alright, let's just clamp things up. The Clampo rockets. And by the way, there's a pretty cool trick you should know in playing KSP on your computer, is that if you press B, it like automatically levels the rocket out, so you don't have to do anything complicated. So I reckon we should do the engines first, and this will build up thrust eventually, and we'll get over here. Also, guys, you wanna count me down on the launch, and I'll just take it away from here using Smartass, which is a add-on to MechJeb 2. To make the MechJeb 2's guidance to space, which is a good mod, by the way. You should recommend it. Recommend you guys use that mod. Yeah, let's go for launch. Yeah, get me one to 1 billion subscribers, guys. But I only be dreaming of that because, well, I'm not really that good at it. Also, just so you know, we don't have any engine, like, we don't have any, like, cameras on board. Anyway, let's go. 3, 2, 1, lift off. We have a lift off. Confirmed. Okay, vehicle's supersonic, just past Mach 1. Oh geez, that late roll program. Just throttling engines down. Open up your loving arms, watch out, here I come. You spin me right round. Never mind where we go. That was funny. Let me just check things real quick. Going down to 50. Stage separation. SRB separation has confirmed. How do I control this thing? Spinning. We had a bit of altitude control, but who cares? Yeah, we're going to Kerbal orbit. Oh. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna go high Kerbal orbit, let's just say. Why does that symbol look like a... I don't know. And stage separation. Fairing separation. So first thing we've got to do is achieve a high orbit around Kerbin, sorry. Not a low Kerbin orbit, because if we do that we're wasting all of our fuel on literally nothing. No, we don't need reaction wheels. That's how NASA we are. And shut down. Okay, orbit achieved. I think it's 90 degrees on the transfer burn, guys. So I think it's, yeah, just here. Okay, be right back. Alright, no worries. 12 people joining stream, that sounds good. Wait a minute. I think I need to just time warp a bit more. What? Get an encounter with the Mun. Well, would you look at that, guys? Yeah, great gravity turn. Don't worry. NASA L, Blue Aerospace W. Thanks a lot, guys. You guys are just amazing right here. Come on. Line yourself up. And we'll spin. Look at that, guys. Look how. Wait, we're nearly in geocentric orbits. If you guys knew what that even is. But that's pretty cool. Alrighty, here we go for a lineup in 3, 2, 1, I think. Three, two, one, ignition. Shut down. And separation and ignition of the hydrogen stage. We're doing a MUN transfer as well. $30 in counting till burn cutoff. Oh, that was close. Look at that, guys. Also, quick question. Why don't you private your old videos and streams? It would be great to look at them, look back at them. You could even unlist them. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I did this because I had my face in it and I didn't want to like get doxed a bit. That was some very smart Blue Aerospace tricks right there. But I just didn't want to do it. I was gonna get this so it works. I'm just playing around with the maneuver node maker right here. Oh, you're back again. Nice. Look at that nice encounter right there, guys. Look at that. I'm just doing this burn. Great, look at that. Um, Let me just recheck everything. I just woke up and this stream for some reason. Hmm, interesting. Right then. So, for now, what I'm going to do is, I think I'm just gonna time warp and then see what happens. Beautiful encounter. Oh, thank you. Um, oh, look at that encounter mode. Ooh, this is gonna mess up my encounter a bit because of that separation force. Now look at that. When you leave vids on, if you turn the settings on an extreme or random, I don't know. Now let's just go to Jewel. See ya, Kerbin. Run away to Jewel in our spacecraft on the way to the Jewel. We're on our way to Jewel in our spacecraft, yeah. They should have made Nova probes in KSP. Oh, cool. Hello, Jewel. Big green boy. We just want to bring down that encounter a bit, so when we burn, we can at least burn what we need. Wait, is there something wrong with my tanks? Oh, I see. Boil off. Yep, doesn't look good. Do you remember the Lego Starship and Mikazilla? Yes, I do. Yeah, yeah. I do remember that, indeed. So this is my escape and encounter. All right. Orange overload. Hmm. We just got 12 people just watching right now peacefully. That's good. Um, are you going to explore jewels? Perhaps. Well, I'm planning to put them. Where's that? May I ask? Also, look at our encounter node. We want to get a good encounter this time because we want to intercept with Lathe. We're not going to encounter a jewel, by the way. Also, there's Tylo trying to mess up with our orbit. Let's go to our encounter node. Oh, Jules Moons. Lython Lathe. Yeah, I love Lython Lathe by Matt Lown. Alright, let's go for encounter with Jewel. Get ready to get jump scared by the big green boy. Hello, welcome to Jewel. Look at the moons, they're just rotating. Hey, Lath. So as you can see here, we have to break into orbit. So this burn that we're gonna do right here is where we slow down around Jewel, and fly around. We'll see how close we can get towards the green gaseous companion. 3, 2, 1, ignition. And shut down. Beautiful, beautiful capture. Lather eclipse? I don't know. What I will do here is I'll provide some pretty good views of the spacecraft. And I'll be posting these views in my Discord server if you guys want to know. I'm not a good photographer, but I think that these views would just do. I will switch to Jewel. Blue, do you ever read the latest chat message? Yes, I do. I'm just focused, really. I just have to do some more maneuvers over here to slow ourselves down a bit. So about 14 days and 2 hours. We can skip towards these days. I'm back as graphite. Oh, nice. Hey, more people joined. Amazing. Um, yeah, then we should just be able to fire the engines. Oh my. Now, I just want to line up the orbit a bit more, just so you know, guys. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Uh, yeah. Also, we would just have to shift down the orbit a bit. Yeah, like a thing around here would do. So guys, while we're doing the mission, how are you guys all feeling today? Also, just got a read that we have 14 people watching, so that's pretty amazing actually. Also, I love putting out reminders to y'all when I start streaming. It's nice. Oh, we just got an encounter with Tylo. Don't want that to happen. Whee! Green. We're gonna be going to Leith first. Spin. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby. Oh my god, it's getting bigger. I'm feeling not great, not terrible. Oh yeah, that's good. Green equals green. Blue equals blue. Oh dear. What have I done? While I equals nothing without you. What? What's rainbow? Oh, you guys are rizzing me up. Awesome. And just gonna do some. Wait for this to work. I need to build super heavy booster. Alright, bet. Bet after this, after I do fulfill the mission. Spin. Meow. Let's see if I can get an encounter with Leif. Oh, yes, we do. Methalox, Keralox, or Hydrolox. Oh. Try making it without mods. As you wish, I can try. How do I fix the... Doing our flyby with Leif. Commonly known as Titan in the real world. This is my encounter node I'm gonna try attempt. Let's just say I meant that in a platonic way. We actually hit 14 or 16 earlier actually. That's because you guys are just too amazing. So we're gonna be doing our Leif mission now. Before we had 14. Yeah, yeah. Titan, yes, yeah. Titan is Saturn's moon. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, and it's all black. Oh, that's very helpful. You know what I'm just gonna do? Just gonna capture an orbit around Leif. There's Leif right there. How much organism is on Titan? I don't know. Yeah, Leif. Yeah, Leif does look similar to Kervin, by the way. Look at this, guys. I'm doing our orbital deburn. Whoa. Yeah, guys, you may wanna have a little peek at this. Up from the shadows, it's back. Alright, satellite 1 is away. Mars is red, Earth is blue, Titan is orange. We are being live communication. Yes. You guys ready for a burning descent? I can feel the plasma building around the vehicle. That's pretty hot, don't you think? Dun, dun, dun. These satellites won't last for long, guys. And we'll expect parachute deployments of satellite 1. Yeah, yeah, yes, it is awesome. 3, 2, 1. Shoots deployed. We lost the parachute, but we're still going with one parachute just for a safe splashdown. I have a feeling these are gonna go underwater. Oh wait, no, wait, we did it. If I was in Lathe orbit, I'd think I am orbiting Kerbin until I see a big green planet. Yes, basically here we just recreated the Vanilla program. Now, with our space probe, what we're aiming for today is we're gonna aim and shoot down another space probe into, well, actually onto the surface of Lathe, which is actually awesome. See if we can provide communication with that one. We have comms with that one. We'll try get one on the surface of Lathe this time. Super heavy stock soon. Yeah, soon. Mars is red, Earth is blue, and Titan is orange. But one that melts my heart isn't Venus, it's you. Oh, Riz. You guys are putting in so much Rizzes. Oh my god. You guys are supposed to put that in the Discord server, not in the chat. You realize that? I mean, I like it anyway. Um, and oop, I guess smack on. Kaboo. They're gonna immediately break out of that orbit. So we're gonna do re-entry with that one as well. Look at that! Look at the plasma. This is from the Firefly mod. Or is that the decoupler that just came off? That was just making. So you guys, look at that. We have a successful. We're hoping for a successful splash hard landing. Sorry. And expecting deployment now. Oh, um, it looks like we lost probe. Oh, look at that view though. Oh, there's geysers. Look, guys. You're hotter than Plasma Riz. But yeah, we lost probe, unfortunately. But look at these mushrooms. How's that even well, I mean, it's possible from the gravity of Lathe. But like, how are mushrooms like these even possible to grow? I mean, right here we got massive volcanoes, by the way, over here. So tracking station back to our probe. We're gonna commit sacrifice to our one and only. I hit hard just like you. Oh my god. When I crash a probe in his Riz. Well, that didn't go well. What we're supposed to do now is we're gonna break out of Lathe's orbit and we're gonna do a mission to into Joule. We're gonna venture inside of Joule, into the hole of Joule. Why land on the ground? Well, we want to land on the ground so we can see on the ground, and also, sadly, we lost our probe. Not meant to happen, obviously. This makes our probe ton more lighter now. So he's gonna break out of Lathe's orbit right now. You want to eat that mushroom? How? How would you eat that mushroom? That mushroom's gonna make you sick. And I'm being serious. We're gonna do a little bit of a lathe encounter as well. Venus may be hot, but you're the real reason my core is molten. Oh god, planetary risen coming, guys. Yeah, you guys can put that in the Discord chat. Um, Yeah, I think we're gonna do the dual land interior. Let's go. Bit sad about this mission. It's coming to an end. Um, things are gonna get hot really quickly, just so you guys are aware. So you will see plasma flashes, whatnot. What? Oh well. Oh, there's another one. There's another probe that's going really close. I'll pull harder than that black hole, bro. What the hell? Alright, let's go. Let's go into the surface. Let's go planetary diving, shall we? Alright, let's go for dual re-entry. Oh, this is peak. I think we're losing the thing. So, yeah. This is our last. We're still transmitting. We're just transmitting every data that we got, guys. So this is what Cassini did. Was Cassini in the old days, around 2017, I think it was. Yeah, it re-entered Saturn, which was sad, and entered the atmosphere. There was plasma everywhere. This is hot. Atoms in plasma. That atoms in plasma keep dancing, but nothing shakes like my heart when I see you passing by. Oh my god. Yeah, you guys gotta stop like doing the riz. It's kind of annoying now. But as we finish transmitting, we're starting to lose it. But looks like we're um RIP Cassini probe. They crashed into, yeah, yeah, they they crash into the surface of Saturn to prevent moons of life from being endangered. Rest in peace, Cassini. If you guys are watching this and sad, that's not good. It's an exciting mission while it lasted. Now that's super heavy you asked for, guys. Let's make a... It's gonna be fun. So we're gonna play Planet Crafter. So a bit of Planet Crafter, a bit of Starship Factory, then we'll call it an end. Ryan Hansen looking yes. Yeah, that entry looks similar. Um, yeah. Stock super heavy you want. Block 0.5 or block 1 or block 2. Which super heavy you want. Volumetric Clouds mod name. Um, it's Ray Marched, I think it is. From Black Rack. He did it. I'm gonna try to get a super heavy booster as well. The stock version. Block 1, sorry for stream delay. Thanks, y'all. I'd say version 2. Yeah, it's a paid mod. Yeah, it's not available, but you have to like pay for it. You have to pay for that mod, sadly. Anyway, see our super heavy booster. Also, I asked Chat GPT to create us, what's it called? one of those craft files. It didn't. Also, just gonna go with 13 engines instead of a light super heavy booster. I know what to do here. I'm gonna do a drop test. Yeah, I just need some power as well. We're gonna recreate Flight 4 in this instance. Super duper light booster. Teamy Starship be like, yes. Right then. Oh, good morning. I should say good night, I should rather say. So we're gonna do a drop test, see how this works. So I'm at an altitude of 10 kilometers, no, 100 kilometers actually. and the pitch would be 90 degrees. Okay, so we go for it's doing a Starship. Here we go. Let's go for landing in 3, 2, 1. Ignition. We lost an engine. We're now down to 2 Raptor engines. I'm a professional lander. Incredible views of our super dancing booster. Also, we lost an engine. Teamy R Starship. Yes, I can do that. I can do it with the lander as well. I was experimenting with the lander the other day. And by the other day, I meant today. Here it is, guys. Observe. Oh, if it works. This is my Starship. It's a lander. What I want to do is I want to just little remote control. Throw another one of these on there and we're good to go. Make it higher. Oh dear. Then we'll play Planet Crafter after this, guys. I feel like we should do that. Because we've fulfilled about like 116 minutes so far into stream. So yeah. I won't be playing, I don't think I'll be playing Starship Factory today, but that's a thing for next stream where we fly Starship in SFS and Starbase Sim. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. There we go. There are heat tiles, no tiles. Tiles are for the weak. Oh dear. We'll be fine. Absolute cinema. Dun, 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 see the booster making its way through the atmosphere, going Mach 1. Hey, it's actually going Mach 1. Nice. I like the bomb meme you made earlier today. No, it will not end up like... It'll end up like IFT 15. And then I think we should just go for booster engine cutoff and ship engine start and hot staging in about few. You guys ready? Booster engine cutoff. Hey! Successful boost backburn and start up a ship. Okay, we got a booster on its way back to us. Boost backburn shut down. Incredible views of our super heavy booster. Oh. And there we go, just head back to the ship, land on the moon. Then back to in flight. Yep, that's the one. Right, then let's land this thing on the moon. Okay, so let's just pretend we have made it to, we're done refueling. I think we have. Oh, this doesn't have any crew on board. What I want to do is on a dock to the Blue Aerospace Station. And this is a new addition to the station for any docking needed. This is the new lander. Speaking of... look at that, we're gonna dock. The bomb has been implanted. Oh, didn't mean to fire the engine. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Book. Anyway, I think I show you what I've been doing in Planet Crafter, because what I want to do is show you guys what I've been working on. So I said I will be playing 2 games. It is true. Like Game Capture and then Planet Crafter. I think I just have to select this thing. Hold up a second. I think I just have to get this thing working. Get this thing working. So I'm gonna show you something I've been working on my main save. So I've been obviously doing some off-cam work. It's just an old save I've been working on with it a while. It's actually awesome. There's some mining stuff over here. So this game is called Planet Crafter. It's where you terraform the whole system in the game. Oh. Oh. Ah! I just have to fill these up. But I won't be spending too much time in Planet Crafter after this. Anyway, I think I should end the stream pretty soon, even though we've been streaming for about 2 hours. Do you play Exit 8? No, I do not. We got Super Alloy. Wait, I have an idea. Super Heavy Alloy. Super Heavy mentioned. I don't know much about this game. It look. Yeah, it's a good game actually called Planet Crafter. So what you have to do is you'll have to start off terraforming basically a Mars planet. Let me explain. So if you just do a standard thing and then load it up, you'll be stranded on this planet, which you have to terraform, and you land. Well, not land, but crash land. So here in the game, if you demonstrated here, you have to terraform all of this. Do you play Space Engine? Yes, I do. Alright, see you, I guess. Enjoy the rest of your day. Yes, I do play Space Engine. But I'm gonna head off now because it's getting quite late for me. So I shall see you guys in the next stream in about a week or two. Stay safe, stay safe, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your days.